Welcome to the first lesson of Unit 2. What are the groups and periods from the periodic table? Pause the video and copy down the lesson header in your notebook. In the meantime, we'll go over the agenda. So first we're going to understand the periodic table, then we're going to do classwork and our exit ticket. So the periodic table we've known so far is to have bits of information that are quite important, but now we're adding on to that. So groups are the stand-up columns, so they go up and down. And we can see the group number goes from 1 to 8. Periods are the laid down rows, so they're horizontal, and they're just numbered sometimes on the side, although usually there isn't a number, so you'll just have to count. Now, which group and period is magnesium? Is it group 2, period 3, group 3, period 2? Let's see. All right, so we remember that the group is the column, the period is the row, magnesium's right here, so it has to be group 2, period 3. If you got those two mixed up, just think group stands up, period lays down. Another cool thing the periodic table can tell us is about the valence electrons, or how many electrons are in the outer shell of an atom. So the group number is the same as the number of electrons. Now, the way I think of an atom, especially in the Bohr model, is kind of like an onion. The outermost ring, so the valence electrons, would be on that outermost part of the onion that interacts with the world. In a Bohr model of fluorine, we can see the ring is farthest from the nucleus. Now, fluorine has 9 total electrons, which I can count here. However, it's only got 7 valence electrons, because there's only 7 red dots on the outermost ring. And if I look to my periodic table, I can see that the group is 7, which kind of cheats and tells me that fluorine has got to have 7 valence electrons. Here's a check for understanding. How many valence electrons are in lithium? Is it 3 or 1? Well, the valence electrons, remember, are the outer ring of electrons. So if we went off the periodic table, we would use the group number, which is 1 here. Or we could simply look at the atomic diagram and notice there's just 1 electron in the outermost circle. All right, apply what you've learned, do the work today. I will see you tomorrow.